Oh my gosh, it's work! 안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's videos, I'm going to show you guys how to do the facial exercise and the massage to burn your fats to get the slimmer face. Sounds good, right? Let's make over by yourself. I think this is another technique for kissing circle.
So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good, just have regrets. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thought that you remember, but it seems that you forgot. It's hard for me to blame you when you've already lost. Oh yeah, I'm tired of always waiting. Oh yeah. See you change your number, that's why you don't get my calls. I gave you all I mean, now you don't wanna be enrolled. Oh yeah. I really gotta face it. Oh yeah. I just wanna be the one, but to you are already done. Tell me why'd you have to hit and run me now? I'm all alone crying ugly. You broke my heart just for fun. My love and just left me numb. Now it's 8 in the morning, all because of you. Another story that's sad and true. I can feel it pink in you. You had to be the one to let me down, to cut me through. Hate to say you with someone new. I'll put a curse to her. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, it's so tired. This one, you just imagine you are laughing. Then stop. Don't laugh at me. I'm serious. I'm fucking serious.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, can you see the huge result?
Let me stay with you. And asking you.
so much better. Yeah, finally we are finished. You will feel so painful when you do the exercise and the massage, but you know, no pain, no gain. When I just finish this exercise, I start to have the better result just right now. Also, you know, everyone have the different body situations. It takes time. I suggest you should do it 2 or 3 times a week, then you will see the better results in 1 to 2 weeks. Can't wait to see your results. Just comment in 1 to 2 weeks to share about your experience and your results. Let's discuss together. We are waiting for you. If you even don't start to have the better results with only 1 time, it's okay. Just keep going until you see the results. Let's do it. What are you waiting for? If you're thinking this video is useful for you, please give me a big thumbs up also to be my audience. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit on the bell. Make sure that never miss my new videos. See you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. Smile. Yeah, smile like that.